Today we're going to learn how to create a playlist for your Ellie Kids app on YouTube. So first you want to make sure that you go to youtube.com and you're either going to auto log in or you're going to log in using your account or you're going to create an account for your kid. Keep in mind if you use your account, you want to make sure when you're adding videos to your playlist that you're making sure you don't accidentally mix different videos that you don't want to be included in that playlist. So first thing first, as you can see when you go to YouTube, it shows you like videos you've seen with that account. You can see Sonic is being adultified here. Well, not being adultified, but who eats lemon and dies? Like, I don't want my 6-year-old watching that and stuff like this. Just because your child is typing in Sonic or Paw Patrol and they're seeing other kind of things. All right, so let's go to video. First, we're going to search for a video. So type number blocks in. My son loves number blocks. And then, in order to create a playlist, you're going to move to where you see these 3 dots. See these 3 dots? See the 3 dots? It comes when you move the mouse over it. It comes up. It shows. See, it shows. It's gone. And it shows. So you're going to click on those 3 dots. You're going to hit Save to Playlist. Now, you want to create a playlist. Let's call this EDU P Tests. And you want to make it public, because if it's private, you won't be able to share it with your friends or anyone else. So we're just going to add some videos. Now, if you're in your, check it off here, or you can go create and put in another thing, like in categories like math, English, Spanish, lunchtime, whatever you want to categorize and name those playlists, you can do so. We're just going to put that one in that one as well. Now, if you're on your side of the account and you're creating a playlist on your side of the account, you will be able to hit the plus sign here also and add it. So that way you can watch the video first. Okay, I like it. Hit the plus sign and it will pop up and tell you, do you want to add to your playlist, and then you can choose a playlist. But here, because it's a kid's account, it doesn't allow you to do it from here, which is kind of silly because then the kid could just still do it from outside of there. So we're gonna go just find another video just to add to our playlist. So we're gonna hit Add, Save to Playlist, and we're gonna put this one also in this category. Or if you want to put it in more than you can, like you can put it in different playlists. Okay, take that out of there. Different playlists. And then once you check it off, you just X out, and it's now saved to your playlist. You go to Libraries. Library shows the history, the last videos that was watched on the account. Scroll down, shows you what things that you saved and watched later. Scroll down some more, it shows you your playlist. We're going to hit Show More to see all the playlists. See if we can find the playlist we just recreated. So if it was a private playlist, it would say private. If it's a public playlist, it wouldn't say private, it would just be blank. Now, when you go into the playlist, you see these numbers, how they change to these dash lines? This is how you rearrange the order of the playlist. So if you want this video to be the first, you just drag it up. You want this one to be the last, you're going to drag it here. So that's how you rearrange. You wait till it turns to the dash lines, you click down, drag it up or down while holding the click down, and then you let go, and then it stays right there. So that's how you rearrange the videos, and that's how you create a playlist inside of YouTube. So then we're going to go to the app. We went into the iOS store. To find the Ellie app in the iOS store right now, you have to type in Ellie Kids, E-L-L-E-E space Kids, K-I-D-S. If you're looking for it in the Google Play, you just type in Ellie, E-L-L-E-E, and it'll pop up. So we're going to go into Settings. You're going to hit Sign into YouTube. You're going to hit Continue, because Ellie needs access to your YouTube. You're going to type in your email address, then your password. Okay, and check off the boxes. And you want to scroll down, and you're going to hit Continue. Now you're in, okay? You're going to go to Playlists. You can either hit this plus sign here or Import Now, that plus sign there, or Import Now. Either or will bring up your playlist that you have linked to that account, okay? So Library. Scroll down to my playlist. Now these are all my playlists you're seeing here. So the one we just created, EDU P test, but you don't see the EDU 1 test because it's private, so you won't see it here because you can only see stuff that you made public. All right, so you're going to check off the playlist that you want to add. So these are the playlists you want your kid to be able to access. Okay? Tons of playlists to choose from. We're just going to check off the ones we want them to be able to access. And then you're going to hit Import Playlists. Now here are the playlists that you've imported. And once you lock the app, your child will not have access to watching anything else but what's in that playlist. Okay? You could unlock it with your fingerprint, or you could use a code to use it. Once you put it in child mode, you could create a pin, and the app is locked. The kid can't go do anything else. It's hard to show you on the stimulator, but you just plug your pin back in to unlock it, and then it takes you back out. But in the meantime, unless they unlock it, your kid cannot watch anything else but what is there. They can't import or export any videos in the app. It only allows them to watch those videos that are in the playlist that you imported into Ellie Kids, and that's all your kids can watch. You can remove the YouTube off your smart device, or you can hide it in a folder so your child can't find it, because if your child gets access to YouTube, then the app does not control YouTube app itself. You have to watch the videos through our app in order for it to filter out and only allow them to see the playlist that you have created. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you're able to create a playlist for your child and use Ellie Kids app without any difficulties. Feel free to reach out to us on Ellie Kids on social media, or on ellieapp.com, ELLEEAPP.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.